Alright, so I'm scraping in these top flat ways on this piece of shit Grizzly mill. When I first started on this guy had about 10 thousandths of twist over the length of it, and I'll go over some reasons in another video of why it was so bad. But anyway, the important thing is to use several different forms of measurement to confirm that you're scraping it in the right way. So one tool that I'm using here is this is a Starrett 199 vial. Yes, I know it looks like an 099, but trust me, this is a 199. This guy is 5/10 per foot per division. So we can see right here, this is showing one division to the left. And when you're moving these, the really important thing is to keep everything the same. So I have these marked with a Sharpie so they stay on the same position on the blocks and everything remains the same. So move this guy over. It's important to keep this completely square. And if we look here, right now it's showing about a half division. And we move it here to the end and make sure everything is the same on it. And we see right there, it's showing about dead even. So that means that this guy moved one division. So in this end, it's higher this way. This end, it's higher this way. So let's go ahead and confirm that with something else. Move these guys out of the way. So I have the saddle. The saddle is scraped dead nuts flat against the surface plate. So we can go ahead and grab the saddle and fit this guy on here. Now what I'm going to do here, it's called I believe it's called a hinge test. So if you come here, if we hinge this, so basically rotate one side, we want to look at what the pivot point is on the other side. And we can see this guy is pivoting right about here, okay? So that means this would indicate this is a high spot. So now, you need to try many different places. But we want to look where it's pivoting here. No matter where we grab it here, we see that it's hinging or pivoting right here. So what that tells us, if we look at this geometry, this is a high spot, that's a high spot. So the hinge test here confirms that the ways have a twist a little bit like this, which is exactly what the level indicates. So that means even though this is inking up reasonably well, I still need to take about maybe 1 to 2 tenths off this corner here, and another couple tenths off that back corner there, and then that would allow the ways to be level. And then we still need to make sure that they're dead flat this way, but I'll do that in another video of verifying that measurement. Okay.